to another video. We are here with more Integra content. We actually got a box right here. This is actually going to be Mariah's Aspec side skirts. Not really side skirts, but Aspec extensions on the side skirts, and I'll show you guys right now. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. I am going to unbox it right now, so let me show you guys this. Here it is right here, all wrapped up. So I'm gonna still go open it. Show you guys what we paid for these. We paid. It doesn't show on here the number right here what we paid. We're gonna go ahead and open this up, and it does come with brand new hardware, clips, and all that. And yeah, so basically this is just side skirt, extra stuff for the side skirt, which is pretty cool. This is basically an add-on to the side skirt. Alright, so these are it right here. Basically, it's just a long black add-on to the Aspec, to the Integra side skirt. It's actually very just simple. So once I pull the car in here, I'm going to show you guys how it looks currently right now. And then we're going to be installing these. But yeah, it looks very good. Comes with double-sided tape, and it comes with the zip tie clips that we love to use. But yeah, these are OEM. Mariah's already going balls out onto this. We still got to get the hood painted, but that'll be another day. Alright, so this is how it looks in the daytime before. Yeah, we're gonna put on the lift right now. I'm gonna try to do it without taking the tires off, but if I have to, I have to. But we're gonna put on the lift right now. Reel this lift in handy. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this on the lift to drive it in. Alright, so I gotta take off, looks like 2 screws here, 1 screw right there, looks like 1 screw right here, and then a bunch of clips all along the back under. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those, and I'll be right back. See if these tools will work. This is for the side skirt because you want to remove the wheel. You buy this little ratcheting screwdriver. This is just for the clips on the bottom. Alright, side skirt is off. Go ahead and get some sawhorses, put it right here, and we're going to be installing the first one. But yeah, it came off easy. You just take off 1 clip right here, you just pop this open, and then just hit it from that side, and it fell straight up. Comes with new clips, so that's good. But yeah, let's set you guys up. Alright, I got it all set up here. I did a quick wipe with this. This is just de-waxer. This is like a 4-to-1 solution just to get all the wax and oils off of this. Basically, it's like the last cleaner but stronger. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this over. So it don't look like we're gonna have to remove this piece right here. We got a screw here, a drill here, and we got a drill here. And if you come to the front, you got a drill here and drill down here. So we're gonna go ahead and drill that. So basically I'm just gonna find a drill bit that's the size of that hole and drill that up. Alright, just test fitting. We're still gonna wipe it off with alcohol. I can't with alcohol, but yeah, this is how basically it's gonna look. Yeah, so let me go ahead and now wipe it down with alcohol that it provided me. So I guess you're gonna have to drill out these holes as well. You got 1, 2, 3, and 4. I guess those are gonna be for the tabs right here. Just 3. I don't know if you do 3 or all 4 of them. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and drill those out. Alright, the new hardware. We'll be going ahead and putting it in. So we're gonna be using these 4 clips. I'm gonna get them started. Not all the way in yet, just because I want to pull off the tape. Next, I'm gonna pull off the tape. And I'm gonna press down on it. And I'll put this one in here. Just like that. And now I'm going to put the tabs, these black tabs in. And just like that, it is on. I'm going to go ahead and put some brand new clips in. I gotta see if we gotta transfer over one of the pieces from the front. I don't know if we need to or not, but just in case, I'm gonna look up. So let me show you guys how it looks up and close. Looks great. Looks really, really good. Go ahead and complete this side. Alright, now that we got everything on, we'll go ahead and put the new side skirt on. Same side skirt, just with the lip, with the new look. Very great. This is like one of those nice little OEM touches you can do. So I'll skip to the next side and show you guys when we're ready to drop it off the lift. But this was a very easy part. It only took like 30 minutes. You could probably do this on the floor, honestly. Just get this tool, and you do not need to take off the wheel. You just get this tool, and it works perfectly fine. And it's getting pretty dark, but you can see just like that, it is on there. Go ahead and actually drop this off the lift and kind of show you guys before it gets way too dark. But oh my god, it has so much more. Pull it out right now.